Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. Winter storm update. Hoy, it is Tuesday, the, 20th or 21st or something of January. 62 in the house. Got up, it was 55 in the house because my dumbass overslept and let the fire go out. Hopefully the fire is still going. It is. I got started again. So we're back up to 62. We'll get it back up to 66 or so. Big time winter storm supposed to hit today, folks. So the first time since 1896. It's supposed to get down to 18 degrees tonight here in northwestern Pensacola area of Florida. And starting at 1 o'clock today, going on through today and tonight, winter storm warning. What'd they say? 1 to 4 inches of snow possible?
2 to 5.
Oh, 2 to 5 now they're calling it. They keep raising it. And up to 2 inches of ice.
We're hoping they're wrong.
Yeah, we're definitely hope they're wrong.
I'm hoping they're wrong.
But, yeah, this will be the second time that we've had snow since we moved here 6 years ago. Wow.
Snow before?
It snowed 6 years ago when we were living in the motorhome. We had to check into the hotel.
Oh.
Ocean Sands Hotel. We lived in a hotel for a couple of days. Then it got, horrible weather again. It got back up to like 74.
Yeah.
2 days later, or 3 days. We stayed in the hotel 2 days.
I didn't think it snowed. I thought it just got
It
cold.
snowed. It just didn't stick. It stuck on the grass, and it stuck on the cars,
Okay.
but it didn't stick on the roads. But there was icicles hanging off of everything. It iced.
Right.
But we just got, for right now, we just got done bringing in. It's not killer bad out right now. We got big chunkies for the nighttime. And we just got done filling the rack halfway through again. And we just got plenty of starter stuff. Right now it is 34. It is 35 degrees out right now. And that's our high for the day. It's going to be 28 degrees by 1. And it's going to keep going down to 18 during the night. It's going to be crazy. But after this is the hardest of the weather. It starts increasing until I think Friday is going to be the first night
That it doesn't.
we don't have to have an all-night fire.
Yeah. But
So-
during the day, after Thursday during the day is supposed to be 40s.
Yeah, 40s, and
Yeah.
then after Friday it's supposed to be like 54 or something.
Yeah.
And then 60s again.
Yeah.
60s and lows in the 40s and 50s.
Yeah.
After coming up on for this Saturday and Sunday, and for quite a while again back to normal.
Yeah.
Arctic blast. Oh
But everybody's feeling it, not just us.
yeah. Well, right now it's like she was saying.
Oh, they were.
Power company was at the neighbor's house. I don't know what for,
They're going now. So.
but it's pretty weird. Okay, well, update coming when it starts hitting us. This is going to be a good one, so stick around. Well, folks, if you step out, look what this is on the porch. It ain't much, but it ain't done this in 6 years. It's the last time it's done this. Got birds out, flapping around, but look, yeah, snowing. And they're calling for 1 to 4 inches of snow today, and the temperature's still falling, but it's still in the 30s. Pretty interesting, and like I thought, it's not sticking to the roads yet. And you can still hear cars. That's I-10. It's about a mile that way. And there may be a propellered aircraft flying. There's the dingo out in the snow. He's used to snow. He's an Illinois puppy. He used to go out and horse around in the snow and look for icicles. But yeah, it's like snowing and stuff. You can see it all building up. Zoop, 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 zoop. Kind of sleet pellets and snow. The neighbor's chickens are over here in our bushes, right around the corner. Over there in our bushes. They're like, screw it. They don't have a house to go in under that little hut. They didn't build them a little hut house to go in, so they're on their own. It's kind of weird. But yeah, snow. And getting colder. But first snowfall, like I said, in 6 years. And it's accumulating. Look at Dingo's getting snow on him. Get all wet and then go cuddle mama. Yeah. He's a good little man. But yep, they're calling for the coldest temperature, like I said, since 96? Something like that. Yep, it's going to get to 18 degrees tonight, Fahrenheit. Cold as hell. But yeah, Sheila's like, what the hell?
She says it's cold out there.
Sheila's like, what the hell's going on?
On the Dingo.
What the hell is that? I'm not going out there. You want to go see snow, Sheila?
See the snow?
No.
She said no.
She's not a cold-liking dog.
No.
She likes to snuggle. The fire's going up. I can see. You can see it's just a log now. You might not be able to see now, but that little glowy thing right there, that is, right there is a log. It needs to be poked. We're just kind of burning a log down and then poking it until it burns down and then throwing another log on. We're not trying to superheat the house. We're just trying not to be 18 degrees.
Right.
But we're at 65, see?
Yes.
And we're saving wood. We're over halfway through our half cord of firewood already.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We got to do what we got to do.
Dude, you don't want to freeze.
Nope. Update, though, coming soon. We'll see if we get white ground.
Yeah.
But I'll update you as things go by. It's getting colder.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It is cold out there.
We'll update you.
How cold does it got to get to be too cold to snow?
I don't know. We used to say 28 or below. It wouldn't snow much, or not snow at all. But
I don't know.
we'll see.
Below that.
We'll see.
We'll see.
What do you think? Does this look like Florida weather to you? Yeah, look at that. This looks like Illinois and Iowa and stuff. These flakes, I don't know if you can see them very well, but they're getting big. And we're getting pretty decent accumulation. Look, the deck is disappearing. Look at that, would you? The neighbors got their deck all closed in, so they can still use it. They run a heater out there sometimes. Yep, it's starting to cover. Everything's going snow, man. This is history breaking. Insane. Roads are still wet and squishy. But yeah, check that shit out, man. Snow. The little kid next door had never seen snow, more than likely. They're out there watching it on the porch. He's going to go out and play. Yeah, it's snowing. You know what's cool? If it gets like 4 inches deep, I'll bet your ass in your favorite hat I'm the only dumb son of a bitch that has a snow plow still. I can plow. I'll go around the neighborhood and charge money and plow. Yep. Far out, man. I'll update you, but this is not looking like it's backing up anytime soon. It is getting colder, too. Everybody's out checking the snow, checking it out. Even the neighbors over there are checking it out. Throwing snowballs. Weird, man. Far out. Yep. The farmers over there are throwing snowballs, and everybody's just out checking out the snow. Checking out the snow. Checking out the snow. I'm going back in. It's snowing. I'll catch you guys later. Once it gets about 3 feet deep. Update. Holy shit. It's not windy. They said 26-mile-an-hour gusts. That must have been this morning. It's very calm right now. And it is, it says 30 degrees, but it's 28 degrees and feels like 17 out there. But look. This. Oh, I'm hooked on something somehow. Watch your step. This is Illinois deer hunting weather. Right here. The pool. Look at the pool. It's still going. Want to get in? Swim party at BLG's. Everyone's invited, including you. Last one in's a rotten egg. I'll tell you who that last one's going to be. Be this guy. Yeah. Look at that shit, huh? I say we've got... Good grief, look at them concrete blocks. They're flat. I say we've got about 1.5 inches of snow already. And the van... van hasn't looked like that since Illinois. Holy shit, neither has the motorhome. This is nuts. If I had a heater out in the studio, I'd be out there drinking beers and hanging out today. But I don't. Alas, I have no heat in the studio. Holy shit. It's crazy. Just look at it. Neighbors are out playing on their ATVs. This is the time to play with those. Go out and do some spins in your donuts and shit. And on the snow. Yeah. Still doing good on the firewood. We burned 2 logs since we brought it in. You can see 2 missing right there in the middle. Saving the big boys for tonight. Now they're saying it's supposed to get down to 14 degrees tonight. That breaks the old record of 1896 or whenever it was in the 1800s of 18 degrees. That's going to break it by 4. So that's crazy enough to think about. But it is. If I had long johns still and threw on my waders and a winter jacket, I could sit out here and drink beers and watch it snow and watch YouTubes. But that's fun. That's just crazy, man. This is historical shit. And I'm recording it for you. But we're supposed to get up to 4 inches today and tonight. It's supposed to stop this evening, though. So, like I said, I could hook up my plow right now and plow the drive while everybody cries. I'm not going to do that. It's going to melt off in a couple of days anyway. We're not going anywhere. So anyway, update coming soon enough. Yeah, stick around. It's going to get cool. It is cool. It's cold. Oop, there she goes. She's coming back, I think. But Sheila went outside in the snow. There's the dingo. He's always out there.
Hello.
Sheila finally went out in the snow and peed and played a little bit. That's pretty cool.
Hang on just a second.
Looking out the kitchen window. Yeah, still snowing. Looks like Illinois.
Hang on.
Neighbors' pups are having fun. See them over there? They're having fun. Neighbors are doing donuts and stuff out in the street. Everybody's just out playing. Pretty cool. It's like a free snow day, I guess. Snow week. That's cool. Sheila went outside. Still cold, still snowing. Just want to let you know, Sheila's not afraid of the snow now. She goes out. Why am I poking the fire? Sheila getting in the way, trying to get in the fire.
Yeah, no.
But 3 o'clock update. We're maintaining a house at 65 degrees. We're keeping the thermostat at about... Where is the thermostat? Right about there. Just at the orange line. And it's maintaining just fine. Now I'm going to whip this front door open. Show you guys.
It's really cold in here.
Damn right I am. Why not? Sheila's going out. She likes it out there now. Look at her. Look at this.
She got used to it.
Sheila's out in the snow.
Okay.
But, oh, okay. I can't open the door. Take a quick peek. See that handrail? That's about 4 inches of snow. Holy shit. Few people out driving still, as you can see, but to me, the roads don't look bad at all. Not yet. The ice hasn't come.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's going to because it's just going to keep getting colder throughout the night. I think we avoided the rain and ice, went straight to snow. The ice might come as it starts thawing and gets into the evening times now, starting like tomorrow or something. But
Maybe.
there's what it looks like. Welcome to Florida. Even the leaves. I am not shitting you. This is Illinois coming back to pay us a visit because we because we hate Illinois.
We hate cold. We don't hate Illinois.
I hate Illinois and the cold.
Well,
Sheila says, I hate Illinois too, goddammit. Them and their stupid taxes and their highways. Screw them, I'm never going back.
you've never been there anyway.
Yeah, that's our update. Still going to hang out around 28 degrees until later, like earlier in the morning. It said like even at like 8 or 9 o'clock, it's still going to be like 28, 26, somewhere there. So we're hanging in there, doing good so far. We're doing all right.
They're doing all right.
Yep, you might go pick out another log and lay it in front there or something if you want.
Get it drying really good.
This rug is going to kill me one of these days while I'm wearing shoes. See, 65. Right there. Nice and comfortable.
But 65 still chilly.
No, not when you get used to it, it ain't. It's toasty. You want to get cold, go outside. Here, let's go out here. Real quick, like, let's take a look at the van. From the beer blind, let's take a look at the van. It's still not windy, though. It's nice and calm. See it? Oh, it's dropped. It's 22, 24, 26. No, it's still 28 degrees. Pool looks so weird. It's turning green. If it freezes and breaks, it freezes and breaks. We got $380 worth out of it. Look at the van. Look at that poor van. Yeah, that's 4 inches easy of snow on the ground right now already, and it's still just helling down, as you can see. It is coming down. Wow. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely crazy, man. Woof. Here we are, staying warm with no furnace. Doing just fine. What did I say it is? 22, 24, 28 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just fine. You come out in this for about 10 minutes, then go into 65 and tell me it's cold in the house. Yep. Neighbor's chickens, they're in those bushes right over there, taking shelter because the neighbors over there didn't build them a coop to go in. They just caged them up. Okay. Woodpile's doing good. Big ones are still for tonight and tomorrow. Hell yeah. Update coming soon, eh? Well, and I never believed it, folks. It's a 4 o'clock update. Let me get a real clear shot real quick. Still coming down like mad. Yes, we're still in Florida. And that right there, my friends, is about 6 inches of snow. See the rails? That's about 6 inches deep and still hammering down. They undershot their estimates on snowfall by a long ways. Few people still out driving around, but this is nuts considering 6 days from now it's going to be 70 again. Back up into the 70s and 50s and 40s. Wow. Incredible. So, yeah, still snowing. No colder, really. It feels the same anyway, but we're old Illinois wintry people, so.
Right.
Still feels like about 28. Very calm, which is kind of nice. Haven't watched a good snow like this since, well, Illinois. Sometimes it's fun, and my old man cave in Illinois was the basement, and I had a I had a walkout basement with the sliding doors. So when it would snow, I'd sit and fire up my fireplace and sit in front of that and watch it snow out the back over the woods out over past our backyard. This is kind of cool. It sucks. We moved to get away from this. But it's kind of cool at the same time. History being made. Wow. It's incredible. I wonder when it's going to stop. I think it's supposed to stop by 8 o'clock tonight, snowing. But wow. This is just crazy. I should get my plow and have fun, just to plow to piss off the neighbors that I have a plow still. I don't know, the neighbors on that side are from Illinois. Yep. Crazy, man. Absolutely nuts. And like I said, like she said, there's no point in plowing or anything because it's all going to be gone within 6 days. Easily. I'll keep you updated on that too as the snow melts. Not in this video. This is just what's happening today and tonight. Woof. That's crazy. Oh well, update later on. Hello everybody. Here I am again. LAG's watching her smut on TV.
It's a movie!
Cowboy smut.
Cowboy.
Sheila's playing ball, very happy and content with snow. Dingo's Dingo. No.
He finally settled down. He realized he wasn't getting dinner
Till time to eat.
yeah.
It's like 4:28, basically 4:30. And I'm going to stop the video here and get it edited and out to you guys because I'll start in a part 2 of this for later updates and see what's going on. So I think this is good enough. We got more snow than they called for by a little over 2 inches. That's getting closer to 7 inches right there, as you can see on that top of that rail. Holy shit. So, update coming soon enough, but part 2 coming soon. So until next time, folks, you know what to do. Melt this snow for us down here in Florida. And peace out, people. Just peace out.